everyone, and welcome back to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Now today I am making a delicious sandwich, an Italian roast beef sandwich. And the great thing about this recipe is you use your slow cooker. It is a busy time of year, and it is great to have a recipe that you can just throw everything in a slow cooker and then come home to a wonderful meal. So this is very, very simple. It just uses a few ingredients. Let me show you just how to make it. Okay, I'm using a 2.5 pound sirloin tip roast, but you could also use a chuck roast for this. And then I have one jar, a 16-ounce jar of the banana pepper rings. I am using the Italian salad dressing and seasoning mix, 1 packet of that, and then 1 tablespoon of a dried beef base. And you could also use 2 beef bouillon cubes instead of the powder. So I'm going to season my roast really well with salt and pepper. On both sides. Okay, and I am going to sear my roast in a nice hot cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to my skillet, and then I'm just going to place my roast into that hot skillet just to give it a nice sear. Okay, so my roast is looking really, really good. I'm just going to turn the fire off. I'm going to place it into my slow cooker and then add the rest of the ingredients. But I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm sharing delicious recipes every single week, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them, so hit that notification bell so you will know as soon as I upload. And also give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. Okay, so I'm going to just add in my Italian seasoning mix, my 1 tablespoon of beef base, and then I'm just going to dump in 1 jar of this pepper rings with the juice and all. And then I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for 6 to 8 hours until it is tender. And 6 hours later, this is what you have. So now I'm just going to take a fork and my tongs here and just break this up. And as you can see, it shreds very easy. I am switching to 2 forks. Yum, yum. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. I cannot wait to take a big bite of this sandwich. Now you will need a nice hoagie bun and then some cheese. And I'm using provolone cheese. That's an option. You don't have to have cheese, but why would you not? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this hoagie in half. So I cut it in half. And then I'm going to take a piece of cheese. I'm going to fold it in half and put 1 piece of cheese on each side of the bread. And then I'm going to place my hoagie bun with the cheese on top in my oven underneath of the broiler just until the cheese melts. Okay, it is just melted, and that is what you want. Okay, this melted cheese creates a nice barrier and keeps that bun from getting soggy. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pile this delicious roast beef onto my sandwich. Oh my goodness, this sandwich. The flavor of that beef is phenomenal. That is so good. That is so simple and easy and delicious. I really hope that you give this recipe a try. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with some more delicious recipes.